British former Chancellor of the Exchequer Rishi Soonak and current Foreign Secretary Truss emerged as the final two candidates in Tory leadership race on Wednesday. International Trade Minister Penny Mordaunt was knocked out in the final round of the ballot among the Conservative lawmakers. Soonak won 137 votes, while Truss received 113. The two will now go through a postal ballot among all Conservative Party members, numbering around 200,000 over the summer. Both candidates have made pledges on tax cuts as the cost of living crisis continues to bite. However, Soonak resisted fairy tale immediate tax cuts, saying inflation has to be brought under control first. Britain's inflation rose by 9.4% in June, hitting a fresh 40-year high. Truss, on the other hand, promised to start cutting taxes from day one. The winner, to be announced on September 5th, will automatically become UK's next Prime Minister, replacing outgoing Boris Johnson.
No Prime Minister taking up the role now would regard it as an ideal time to do so. They will walk straight into a perfect storm of economic crisis, international challenge and party division, and that's going to take all the talent a Prime Minister needs. So there will be a debate about tax, importantly. There will be arguments about style of government, but both candidates are experienced. Both candidates have served alongside Boris Johnson, and both will want to claim to be legitimate Conservatives. What they face is not only the challenge of presenting something with a better reputation than Boris Johnson has ended up with, at least, of distancing themselves from that, which will be particularly hard for these two candidates, but also of showing the public that they are trying and succeeding in dealing with the challenges of the current economic circumstances. And that is something that will be the key to the next election.